ground stop is at the airport. No planes can come in. Like, no planes can take off. No planes can come in, basically. Like, nothing in, nothing out. So the ground stop is supposed to be over at 4:36. No, 3:36. Well, really 4:36, but our new takeoff time is 3:36 because we're delayed. So like we're delayed like an hour. Yeah. So yeah, we're just chilling right now. I'm about to go in a second into the airport and see what they got to eat because I did not eat all day. Only had one flight so far, and then we're in Knoxville tonight, Knoxville, Tennessee. So I might take y'all in the airport with me just because I'm bored. Or I might not. I might just see y'all later when I get to Knoxville because I think I'm on Mexican food today. So, oh, let me just show y'all right now in Rochester. It's just like raining and snowing. It's cold. Let me show y'all. Like, I don't know if y'all can see. Like, y'all can see the rain. Will be able to see. But anyway. Yeah, so I'm gonna see y'all later. Yeah. Like, y'all can probably see the snow a little better now. Not really, but whatever. Oh, they got like a little restaurant right here. Oh, they got Subway, but I don't really like Subway. And Dunkin', so not really much options. So we don't know what we're gonna get. See, that's the place right there. Yeah. And they got Subway. I don't like that. Hey y'all, what's up? Sorry, I gotta take this stuff off. My pajamas by the time my food get here. Anyway, y'all, let me just sit right here and talk to y'all for a second. But I want to hurry up and change so that when my food get here, I can just be in my pajamas already. Long story short, like, oh, it says my order is arriving at 9:50. So I ordered from Juicy Crab. Currently I'm in Mobile, Alabama, and let me tell you how we got here. So it's been a shit show, okay? We finally made it. I thought they was going to end up canceling this flight because so we had to fly to Albany, New York today, and I was today years old when I found out that it was going to be a storm today. So we couldn't even land in Albany. Like, we flew there, could not land. So we had to turn around, go back to Dulles, Washington Dulles. So the people were so mad at us, like, baby, I'm just here. I just work here, you know? So it's just been a mess today. So we finally made it here. We very, very, very delayed. We were supposed to get here like 7 something. It's currently 9:37. And today is January 2nd. I don't think I vlogged today, so at this point we really just started the year off with delays, which is crazy. But anyway, so we made it. Now technically we have a flight at 8 o'clock in the morning tomorrow from here back to DC. So we have like what, 10 hours here. So you know I'm a little irritated. But I'm gonna show you my birthday. So this is what it looked like. Real cutesy. It's cute. It's smaller than obviously the other one, but it's real cute. It's cute. It'll do what it do. Let me show you the bathroom. This is the closet. I put my coat in there. Period. Okay, I like the bathroom. I like. Okay, cute. Yes. Okay. So yeah, that's that. So we about to go get My hair looks crazy. Like, you can just tell I had a rough day. But I'm about to change really quick. Put on my, like, just some, like, sweats so that I can eat my food because I got a seafood boil from the Juicy. I'm so excited. Our crew van is at 6:45. But yeah, I know y'all don't want to hear me yapping. I don't even want to yap. I want to get ready for bed so that when I eat, it's over. So I'm gonna see y'all maybe tomorrow. We're gonna see. Y'all might see me yeah, y'all might see me tomorrow. It's time to wind down. Bye.
Okay. Is this so like oh, cheers for Christmas.
They ain't give me no gloves, no nothing. So my nails finna just be like dirty. That's so annoying, bro. Like, they were so pressed up clothes. No, they're like, honestly, cancellations. I'll be talking to cancellations. It's the delays that kill me because then everything get pushed back. I hope y'all can hear me. But everything end up getting pushed. All the flights end up getting pushed back. Then you get into your layover late. So it's just like annoying. I really wish y'all could have spent the day. I really wish y'all could see a day in my life. One day I'm gonna get it together. This was a mess. Like, you can just tell by my necktie. This day has just been a mess. I need to take it off. It's been a mess today. Like, I'm over it. I'm ready to go home, get in my own bed, sleep into as long as I want. You know, last vlog I was explaining to y'all basically the ins and outs of this whole like experience, whatever. Prime example. This is not the job that always goes your way. to mentally prepare for the next trip, okay? Can't have too much available, so hold on now. Okay. Let me bring y'all over here actually. Hi y'all. Oh, I forgot to ask for water with lemon. Hello beautiful people. It is like a day later. I think I talked to y'all yesterday. I hope I did. But it just be so much going on, especially these last few days since January started. I don't know if it's just Dulles Airport. I don't know if it's the weather. I mean, it has something to do with the weather, but it's been crazy. It's been hectic. So I don't be having time to pull out my camera, like, and I just feel like if I pull out my camera, mind you, the flights and stuff is delayed. The passengers, the customers, they don't know what's going on. They don't know why the flight delayed. So for me to really pull out my camera and stuff, like I feel like that's a little crazy. Long story short, today was a little better than yesterday. Yes, we were delayed, but we only had one flight, and that was from DC to Columbia. So I'm currently in Columbia, South Carolina. It is 10/16, and it's Tuesday, January the 7th. Like I said, I think I talked to y'all 1 or 2 days ago, but yesterday was day 1 of my 4-day trip. So this is day 2. But yesterday on day 1, baby, the flights I was supposed to be working, I didn't even end up working. My schedule changed so much, like between today and yesterday. This is why I said this job, babe, you gotta be on your toes, okay? I woke up at like 5 something in this morning. Mind you, I had to be at the airport at 8 to fly to Mobile, Alabama. And I didn't have to operate the flight. I wasn't working a flight. I was just deadheading. That's what it's called when you're in uniform. You just flying like as a passenger to get to where you need to work, which was Mobile. So that was canceled. So they ended up taking that off our schedule, putting this flight, which was DC to Columbia. They ended up putting that on my schedule. The only flight for the day at 5:50 p.m. That ended up getting delayed because the crew that was bringing that plane in was delayed. If you don't know, it was a winter storm in like the northeast, like DMV area. Today was a little better. It's a little ice, but the weather is way better than it was yesterday. That was just a mess yesterday. Yeah, that's that. We just got in like right before 9:30. So they do have a restaurant in the hotel. So I just ran there real quick and got a burger. Because I didn't eat since before I left my hotel this morning, which was Dunkin'. What type of fries? Yo, these the fries. They like little wedges. Just a regular burger. Has onions. I got provolone cheese, tomatoes, lettuce, and I'm gonna put some mayonnaise on it. Looks pretty good. I want y'all to see more of like my into my life, like when I'm in the airport, all of it. Like I really want y'all to see it.
On better talking terms, but for the sake of my happiness, they just couldn't be around tonight. Well, just, I was toast to y'all night. I love you. Say, you know how really this moment is supposed to be shared with the people that you love. I'm with the people that I love. I just want.
We just landed, and we're in Douglas now, DC. I don't know if y'all can hear me, but yeah. We're in DC and we're about to get kava. So we're going there, getting kava. I look crazy today. I was rushing so bad because I did not get to sleep last night, so I was rushing this morning after my shower, and I did not have time to do really make my hair cute. So yeah, now it looks a mess for today, but I don't live here because we have an easy day. We about to go somewhere in Pennsylvania, so it's a quick flight. So yeah, I'll see you later. Now they still got Christmas decorations up. Y'all, one day that I'm not working, I really want to try this wine place. It's like wine tasting, and they have like charcuterie boards and stuff. Like, it's so cute. I want to try that place one time. I'm just traveling personally, but we made it to Papa. She looking all in my face. My girl.
Motherfucker, who the fuck are we eat tonight?
Yo, I gotta go, but I just wanted to pick y'all up real quick. I'm just getting ready to leave out with my crew. We're going to some restaurant. It's called Anchor. I'm in Buffalo, New York. It is Saturday, January 18th. It's 3:14. This is day one of a new trip. I don't understand how I didn't bring my heart brush. Like, I just really question myself sometimes. Like, what do I be doing? But yeah, I just wanted to tell y'all that it's raining and snowing out here, so I ain't want to look crazy. I already look a little crazy, but it's like I wanted to try a little bit, you know. We're supposed to be meeting downstairs at 3:15. As I just told y'all, it's 3:14. So this is just gonna have to do. What the? Come on. I was ready to go to the room. Here we are. They gonna be like, this girl. Because y'all know I like the crews that like to do stuff and not the boring ones. And I was actually a little tired today, but I'm like, I'm gonna go. Because I'm hungry anyway. So yeah. Yo, this is the coldest elevator I've ever been on. Watch, I'm gonna go down there looking down. Y'all, I'm getting ready. I was vlogging. Well, I wasn't vlogging. I was on live trying to get ready. Yeah, I'm just, as you can see, currently getting ready for work. Today is the next day. I talked to you yesterday. It's Sunday, January 19th. It is a snowstorm going on in DC, like the DMV area. So I'm currently in Buffalo, as y'all know from last night. But they canceled all our flights this morning. We were supposed to go from Buffalo back to Dulles, and then we was going to Mobile after that. So they canceled our flights because of the snow in DC. So we're going straight from here to Mobile. But it's a no passengers. It's called a ferry flight. So I'm gonna show you a little bit about my day because I never been on a ferry flight. So basically, I mean, obviously I'm still on the plane, but instead of, it's no passengers, it's just all crew. We on the plane, we going, it's basically repositioning the plane to go where we need to go, which is Mobile, so that we can work our flight out of Mobile tomorrow. So it's called a ferry flight. We're about to do that, about to just finish my makeup. We meet, our crew van is at 1:30, it's currently 1:06. As y'all know, y'all might not know, but the Ravens are in the playoffs and they play the Bills tonight. Our crew was hoping that we would get stuck in Buffalo so we can go to the game, but they ended up having us just work a ferry flight to Mobile. So that's really it. I'm gonna pick you up when I leave out, and I'm gonna just show y'all everything. Well, I'm gonna try to show y'all everything. So, bye. Okay. We're finally leaving. It's 1:25. Captain said meet at 1:30. So, like I said, I've never been on this ferry flight, so we're gonna see. We're gonna see what's given. I'm gonna really try to include y'all because this is my first time that I ever been on a flight like this. So I want y'all to get the experience, you know? So we're going downstairs. Yeah. So I'm gonna see y'all in a second when we get on the van. Thank you. Cause isn't the snow supposed to be done?
It's like just getting there now.
Oh.
Yeah, it's not great right now.
Yeah. Cause it canceled what, last night already before we could even.
Yeah, it canceled a lot of stuff.
Oh, it's like,
Can I have the owner of the Toyota Camry to please return to your vehicle at the park and arrival before it is taken in or towed? Again, that is the Toyota Camry. Thank you.
at the gate. We're just waiting for the gate agent to come up here so that we can leave. And this is what it's looking like. This is outside. Yeah. So yeah, my crew just went to get a snack because it's gonna be a long flight to Mobile. It's gonna be 2 hours and 50 minutes. So they wanted to get, I mean, I feel like I got snacks, so I'm good. But yeah, so I'll probably see y'all when I get on, because I can actually vlog on a plane this time, like in the air. Isn't that so cool? So I'm excited, and yeah, there's nothing really going on right now. Like I said, we're just waiting for the gate agent to let us down on the plane. Yeah, that's that. I'll see y'all when I get on there.